With the auspicious festival of Akshaya Tritiya approaching, Gopinath Jewellers officially announced a range of exciting promotional offers during a press conference held at the Agartala Press Club on Monday. To mark the occasion, the jewelry house has introduced significant price cuts across its primary collection. The management detailed a three-tier discount structure designed to attract festive shoppers. Gold jewelry, flat 7% off on every purchases. Diamond ornaments, a massive 50% discount on jewelry pieces. Silver items, 15% off on silver purchases. The management confirmed that the offers will go live on April 13th and will remain valid until May 10th, providing customers ample time to make their festive investment.
Gopinath Jewellers yang teh norong jotono no khabai khubay lamsogo hangke tini press club phaimani karon hangke chino jaga okhoti tiani offer sengri reka tini ni simino May mas ni 10 tarik jara tongnai hangke norok phai visit khai baidi gobang ma collection kadal sapai jak tongo tangai hangke okhoti tiani offer this year no kotor khai sengri rijaka rangsak ni making charge manai noro 7% flat 7% ke no hangke te diamond bo tongnai 50% making charge hangke silver bo manai 15% ke o te hangke haina hai sana mo songo rangsak ni making charge noro flat 7% ke no manai hangke 10 gram ni tolawo ja tongo obora hangke noro 10% ke no manai hangke okhoti tiane bagai dino jotono no rangsak ro paika hangke kaham ungo hine khanao hangke noro bo phai di gerong phai de sini ostur tongo tinta jaga osturong kha silsa ro kaisa tongo sribumi kaisa tongo te agartala ro kaisa tongo hambai jotono no May mas ni 10 tarik jora tongo chino okhoti tiane offer.
Reported by Sultan from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.